Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mahanadi Times Production. I heartily welcome you to make you more aware about ACT. Well, in order to know what the law has given us and for what reason. So today we are going to learn about or inform you about MV Act. It was enacted in the year 1988, but it was more effective, more seriously effective from the year 2019. It is 2019. So heavy penalty was taken from the drivers for violating the rules. Well, this was done due to maintaining law and order to prevent accident. Well, we have seen a lot of accident in the road, on the road, and we feel helpless. So in order to prevent all these accidents, so our government has introduced MV Act, that is Motor Vehicle Amendment Act. So in this act, you can say what are the priorities has been taken and what penalties will be taken on what basis. If we are riding without helmet, so in the first offense and in the first and second offense, 1000 will be charged in both the offenses. Secondly, both rider and the pillion rider, if both are not wearing the helmet, so 1000 rupees will be taken each for each offenses. Then if more than two riders are there in the two wheelers, so 1000 rupees will be again charged as a penalty in the first offense as well as in the second offense. As you know, driving license is quite very important for us. It sometimes serves as an you can say license is also that we are a citizen of India. License is quite very important for us. It can also become a proof for us, ID proof. So we, while driving, it is very important to take license. So driving without license, 2000 rupees will be charged in the first offense, but in the second offense, 4000 rupees will be charged. Riding by vehicles by the boys and girls who are juvenile. Juvenile means they are below 14 years. So 25,000 will be charged. It's a huge amount. It will be charged by the parents of the child. Well, we can say that below 14 years they are child. So 25,000 will be charged in the first offense as well as in the second offense from the parents. It will be collected from the parents, and it might also happen that case will be initiated by the parents. So as you know, these are small children, so we need to take care and be careful. To obstruct any emergency vehicles like ambulance and fire services, 10,000 rupees will be taken as penalty. You know, ambulance is quite very important because if any hospitality is needed or any emergency, so we have to give away to the ambulance. So in this terms, 10,000 rupees will be charged for each offense in the first as well as in the second offense. Driving without seat belt, that is when we are in the four-wheelers, if the driver is not taking or hasn't taken up the seat belt, so he will be charged 1000 rupees each in the first offense as well as in the second offense. Now we come to the next one, that is your drink and drive. So 10,000 will be charged. Why so much of money? Because as we are drunk, not we all, but some are drunk, they are unaware, they are not in their senses, so any accident can occur. anything can happen. They may lose their life, they can harm others' life also. So please take care that you don't drink so much that you cannot drive. If you have drunk a lot, please don't drive. Please take care of this point particularly. Driving against the flow of traffic, it is also an offense. So 5,000 rupees will be charged in the first offense, and in the second offense 10,000 rupees will be charged. Unauthorized person to drive vehicle, well, if it is not your vehicle and you are driving it, so if the policeman catches you, then you need to show why you are doing this. You should be having your license, it is quite very important, and you should be having a reason, and it should be apt. So if there is no reason, 5,000 rupees might be charged. Well, as you know, we cannot go here and there with our physical documents. We cannot take all the papers along with us. So many apps has been uploaded in the Google Play, so you can have it and upload it, install it in your phones, Android phones. So in the year 2020, that is 1st October 2020, the government has allowed the people to have a soft copy in their mobiles, and the policeman has to take it into consideration. So I hope this is a very useful information. If you like, please subscribe. It has been written in the red color, and like us if you like the information, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.